Hare Krishna Prabhu. So today I'm just gonna tell you one secret so that you can just make your videos viral. Most of the time you upload the video with wrong method, and because of this your videos don't get viral. So I'm just gonna tell you the steps while using you can just make your videos and shorts go viral. So just let's go to the mobile screen and let's see how you should upload the video on YouTube. So most of the time you do mistake, you upload the video using the normal method, and cause of that your videos don't get viral. So if you want your video to get viral, then these are the steps you should follow. First of all, just open YouTube on your mobile. After that you will just see with just one plus sign, so just touch on this plus sign, then click on the create a short. And after that okay, just you will see this type of interface, and then you just have to click on the next button. After clicking on the next button you can just see the preview of your video. Then okay, after just clicking on the next button you will see this type of page. So here you just have to just give any good title according to your video. Then in the description box you have to write on something related to your video, and after that just unlisted is written here, so now just let it be unlisted. Then just see the next option, location. So location means okay, here you just have to choose the place to which people you want to show your video. For example, if you want to show your video to like United States people, so we'll have to just type here United States. Okay, if you want to show your videos to United Kingdom like UK users, so you can just type UK or United Kingdom. If you want to show your videos to Canadian, so you can just type here Canada. So we'll have to select the place here. Okay, and after that after just completing this step, in the next step there is one option, add to playlist. So you need to add your video at least in any playlist, and after doing this click on the done button and then next. So when you will click on the next button, so your video will be uploaded and very soon your video will get viral.